Hello everybody and welcome to the very first episode of Live VA Job Application. So yung gagawin natin dito ay mag-a-apply tayo ng trabaho as a VA on the spot. So meron tayong three main parts dito. So una, paano natin malalaman kung ano yung mga legit na job applications? Pag-aaralan na natin yan. Number two, gagawa tayo ng proposal para kahit hindi ka mag-send ng resume mo, pwedeng may mag-hire sa'yo. At number three, dito na papasok ang paggawa ng cover letter. Once matapos natin yung tatlong bagay na yon, pwede ka na mag-apply as a VA dito sa job post na mapipili natin. So, ready ka na ba? Let's begin! So, ang pinakauna natin gagawin ay pumunta dito sa onlinejobs.ph. Once na nandito na tayo, ang pipiliin natin na trabaho ay Social Media Manager. Okay, Coach Pao, bakit kaya Social Media Manager? Ba't hindi na lang iba? Pwede namang encoder, pwede namang graphic designer. Well, you see, ang social media manager kasi, most probably, alam mo na tong skill na to. Bakit? Kasi meron kang sariling Facebook account, may sarili kang TikTok account. So, in short, alam mo na kung ano yung mga pwedeng i-post ng mga businesses. So, ngayong nandito na tayo sa social media manager na page, dito sabi dito, real estate video editor, full-time VA, executive admin, dance company, and Airbnb manage, and SM influencer manage. So, maghahanap tayo ngayon ng pinaka-fit sa atin. Full-time Facebook ads manager, media buyer. So, kung marunong ka mag-run ng ads, pwede ka dito. Senior bookkeeper and virtual assistant. So, dito bookkeeper naman ang hinahanap, hindi social media. Scroll down pa tayo. Okay, dahil wala tayong nakikita dito, ang pwede natin gawin, palitan natin yung search term, social media. Social media na lang ang ilalagay natin. Ayan, so lumabas na. Social media marketer for wedding, photography, and videography company. So pwede yan. Pwedeng email marketing and social media manager. Kung marunong ka mag-edit, social media manager and video editor using Adobe Premiere Pro. Ngayon, kung hindi mo alam kung paano gumamit ang Adobe Premiere Pro, I suggest wag muna natin silang applyan. Kasi makakahanap din naman tayo ng mga clients na magiging sakto for us. Let's say for example, ito, Social Media Manager, full-time, MS Digital Limited. Kakapost lang July 2, tas ang budget ay $600 per month. Ang $600 per month, that is around 30,000 to 32,500 Philippine pesos. So, tignan natin ngayon. Try natin applyan. Sabi dito, we are looking for a creative and proactive social media manager to help grow our brand across platforms like Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, and Pinterest. You'll take lead on content creation, manage community engagement, and build partnerships with influencers. So, dun pa lang, minention na nila kung ano yung mga main na gagawin mo. Ano-ano yun? Content creation, mag-manage ng community engagement, and mag-build ng partnerships with influencers. What you'll get, starting salary ay $600 per month. Ang schedule ay 40 hours per week. Tignan naman natin tong perks. So, hindi lahat ng companies na nag-post dito sa onlinejobs.ph ay naglalagay ng perks. Yung iba lang naglalagay ng perks. So, dito, fully remote daw with flexible hours, quarterly performance-based bonus, and 20 paid vacation days and 10 paid sick days per year. So, ito na ngayon yung leave. Yung VL, yung vacation leave, pati yung SL, yung sick leave. So, ano daw yung mga gagawin natin? Create and schedule engaging content that aligns with brand identity and platform best practices. Design visually appealing graphics using Canva. So, di ba? Pwedeng Canva lang ang gamitin. Manage daily interactions by responding to comments, messages, etc. Track trends, source and reach out to influencers, coordinate with the support team, share insights with the creative team, and organize content calendar. Kaya mo bang gawin yung lahat ng yon? Well, kung kaya mo, this job is for you. Pwede mo tong applyan later on. Who you are, you're a creative thinker. You're comfortable in working independently. You're an excellent communicator. You are highly organized. You're a collaborative team player who welcomes feedback and input. So, yun yung mga hinahanap nilang qualities ng magiging VA nila as a social media manager. And what you bring? Proven experience in content creation. Coach Pao, paano yan kung wala pa akong proven experience in content creation? Well, my suggestion is that you create a Facebook page first right now, tapos gumawa ka ng mga post. para pwede mong masabi na may experience ka when it comes to content creation. Strong knowledge of platforms, proficiency in Canva, familiarity with tools like ClickUp, Google Workspace, and content scheduling platforms. So itong mga content scheduling platforms, madali lang naman siya gamitin. Kung napapansin mo, meron nakasulat dito, metrical training available. Meaning, ititrain ka nila kung paano gamitin yung tool na yon. A track record, exceptional written and verbal communication skills, strong organizational and multitasking abilities, and ability to collaborate effectively with teams while working independently in a remote environment. So sabi dito, to apply, send your resume and portfolio. So, kailangan, meron kang resume na may maipapakita at portfolio din. Alright? So, paano tayo mag-a-apply? Click lang natin tong apply for this job. Ayan. Tapos kung mapapansin nyo, merong dalawang main information dito. Ang subject line, pati yung message. So, sa subject, dito ilalagay natin, I help. Anong industry niya? Tingnan natin. Wala palang mention ng industry pagdating dito. So, dahil walang mention ng industry, ang una nating gagawin ay ang proposal natin. Ang proposal, pwede nyo siyang i-download dito sa slides.google.com. Ilalagay ko yung link sa comment section. At ito yung template na pwede mo yung gamitin. So, social media management template by Pao. So, kung napapansin nyo, walang nakasulat na name dito. Ayan, walang nakasulat na name. Wala ring nakasulat kung anong work siya. Pero dito, kung babalikan natin, may nakita tayong MS Digital Limited. So, dito, pwede nating ilagay MS Digital Limited. Ayan. Bakit kailangan nating isulat to? Kailangan nating isulat to para malaman ng employer na binasa natin yung job post. Usually, kapag merong contact name, ilalagay natin siya dito. Pero kung wala, i-leave natin siyang blank. So, ito na yung first page natin. Yung next, details about the company. Nagbigay ba siya ng details about the company? Nako, mukhang wala yatang details about the company. So, ang gagawin natin, go tayo sa google.com, tapos i-search natin MS Digital Limited. So, ito kaya siya? Well, ito, Digital Services Limited. So, hindi tayo sure kung ito yung website niya. So, dahil hindi tayo sure kung anong website niya, isi-skip natin tong overview. At dediretso tayo dito sa game plan. Ano yung game plan? Dito natin i-itemize kung ano-ano yung mga activities na gagawin natin for them. For example, dahil ang main focus natin ay content creation, ang very first task natin is to research content. Ayan. After natin mag-research ng content, dito na papasok ang content planning. After ng content planning, dito na papasok ang creation of ad creatives. After ng creation ng ad creatives, anong next natin? Creation of copy or caption. Tapos, ang task 5 natin ay scheduling of posts. Ayan. So, dito, nakomplete natin yung picture from task 1 to task number 5. Tapos, after task number 5, nakasulat dito dollars, meaning may magko-convert na into sales, no? So, ano yung mga short description na ilalagay natin dito? Ang research content, ang pwede nating ilagay, or actually, pwede nating i-delete to itong mga short description. So, i-delete na lang muna natin itong short description para makapag-apply kayo kaagad. Ayan. After nitong game plan natin, dito na natin ngayon i-itemize yung action items. So, dito nakasulat research content. So, ito, pwede nating ilagay research content based on the company's industry. Next, content planning. Plan, marketing, and educational content. Next, creation of ad creatives. Design eye-catching creatives. Next, creation of copy or caption. Write engaging captions. And last, scheduling of post. Scheduling of post. Ayan. So, ito na ngayon yung action items natin. Bakit kaya natin kailangan lagyan ng action items? Well, kailangan natin lagyan to para ma-itemize natin kay client kung ano-ano yung mga gagawin natin. Of course, dito, magbabase pa rin tayo sa post. So, kung napapansin nyo, what you'll do, na-target natin tong create and schedule engaging content, source and reach out to influencers for partnership, hindi pa. So, pwede din natin yan ilagay. Source, partnerships with influencers. Ayan. Hanggang sa ma-complete natin yung lahat ng nakasulat dito. So, after nyan, ngayon na tayo maglalagay ng other details. So, dito naman sa other details, ang ilalagay natin ang timeline, ang rate, pati ang coverage of work. So, start tayo sa timeline. So, pagdating sa timeline, pwede natin ilagay 1 to 2 weeks or 1 week na lang. 1 week of content research and planning. Tapos may another week, 1 week of post creation of creatives and caption creation. Ayan. Tapos, pagdating sa rate, kailangan lang natin balikan tong job post. Dito nakasulat $600 per month. Tapos, mag-work ka ng 40 hours per week. So, okay ba yun sa'yo? Kung okay yun sa'yo, pwede mo nang ilagay yung $600 per month. Kung gusto mong taasan ng konti, pwede din. Pwede mong isulat $650 per month or $700 per month. Kasi usually, ang mga clients, meron pa silang extra na pwedeng ilabas. Alright? So, itong 600 na to, ito ay most of the time negotiable. Negotiable siya, depende sa kung ano yung kaya mong ipakita kay client. After ng timeline, meron na tayong timeline, meron na tayong rate. Ang pwede mo pang ilagay dito ay when can you start? So, here, pwede natin ilagay I can start ASAP. Para alam nilang ready na kagad tayo mag-work. Alright? Tapos sa last slide natin, how I can help. Dito, pwede natin ilagay run effective social media campaigns. So ako personally, on my Facebook page, I have 273,000 followers. So hina-highlight ko siya dito para malaman ni client na kaya kong gawin yung job na pinapagawa niya. Tapos create a full content marketing plan for social media. And let me know if you want to discuss the plan over a quick Zoom call. Alright. So, ngayong natapos natin ng proposal, it's time to create the cover letter. Ano naman yung cover letter? So, dito, kung mapapansin nyo, i-click natin dito ay apply for this job. Tapos, sa subject, pwede natin ilagay Rockstar Social Media Manager here. Tapos, message, hello, I'm Pao from the Philippines and I help business owners grow their brand on social media through effective content creation. Tapos lagay natin, I made a quick proposal for you. If you're interested, I can implement this on your business. Here's the link to the proposal. Ayan. Tapos ilalagay natin tong link ng Google Slides. So, para i-share yun, click lang natin yung share. Tapos, palitan natin ng anyone with the link tong general access and click copy link, alright? Tapos, i-paste natin siya dito. Ayan. Tapos, regards, Pao. So, dito kung mapapansin nyo, may nakasulat na contact info. So, pwede din natin yan lagyan. So, sa akin, naka-default na yan. Tapos, apply points. Ito ay kung gaano mo gusto i-prioritize ni onlinejobs.ph yung job na yon. So, usually, kahit ilagay mo lang yung default na 3, okay na yan. Tapos, click send email. So, in this example, I will not click send email. Why? Because I want you to apply to this particular job. So, if you're ready to apply to this particular job, all you have to do is to follow the proposal template, follow the cover letter template, and of course, click apply now. Once na maklik mo na yung apply now, all you have to do is to wait for the client to schedule a Zoom meeting with you. As there in that Zoom meeting, pag-uusapan nyo na yung details ng project. So that's all for the very first episode of VA Live Job Application. See you on the next one.